our sketch of the day, our stay the course sketch. Too many people, when they talk to me, say, well, hey, I don't want to invest in the stock markets. I don't like gambling. I need something more sure. And here's the problem, right? When we have gambling, the probability of a positive outcome at the casino is always less than 49%. Right? It's not, you don't have a 50% chance of winning. It's always less than 50 because they have a bigger house than you, right? They make more money than you do. They win more often than you do. So gambling, by definition, means that you have less than a 50% chance of winning. There we go. It's like gambling it's a whole thing. Gambling, buying crypto, all that. You can't, right? You can make a lot of money at a casino, but usually you lose. You can make a lot of money in cryptocurrency, but a lot of people lose. Buying the best business in the world, investing in the stock market, over 1 month has a 63% chance of a positive outcome. Over a year, 77. Over 3 years, 87. Over 5 years, 92. And over 10 years, 97. And as a side note, the only time that for these ones, actually, honestly, really all three of these, the only times the 13% of the time, the 8% of the time, and the 3% of the time when they're not positive is because you're measuring down into the bottom of the 2008 financial crisis. Right? You take out those big ones, which again, those happen, so you got to be prepared for them. And our strategy is, if you want to know more about that, you can read this one here, or we'll send it to you for free. But if you take those aside, you actually pretty much have a 100% positive outcome on these. So if you have something that has at worst, a 92, 97% chance of winning, and at best has a 100% chance of winning, that's not gambling. That's not speculating. That is not the same thing as going to the casino. So whenever I hear people say, hey, I don't want to gamble on the stock market. Well, it's only gambling if you don't know what you're doing and you play it like gambling, which means you throw random money in and pull it out at random times. But if you have a plan and a strategy, it is so far away from gambling and the chances of you winning are nearly certain. If this is kind of short stuff like this is helpful for you, we do send out a sketch like this with a short memo every week. You can join up in our Retire membership community down below. And we have lots of goodies in there, including weekly email like this and a bunch of other fun free stuff.